Boys and girls, I'm going to introduce the spelling words for you this morning. All right, we'll read the first group of words and then we'll talk about them a little bit. We have steak, break, and great. What vowel sound are you hearing in all of those words? What vowel sound? You're hearing the long A sound. Now, this goes against our rule of when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, because we're not hearing the E, we're hearing the A. So we know that with rules, with grammar and spelling, most of the time the rule is true, but not always. So if you can think of a yummy steak, especially this time of year when we might put one on the grill, right? Steak, that's what that means. Break, you don't want to break things, right? If you break something, you'd have to fix it. And great. Everybody in my class is great. I have a class full of great kids, meaning you are wonderful. All right, next group of words, stay, holiday, and yesterday. So we have the long A sound with the help of the Y. Stay, I made Paloma stay before she could eat her breakfast. Holiday, we can't wait for the next holiday, which is Memorial Day. And yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. It's also an amazing Beatles song, so maybe listen to that today. Next group of words, stain, plain, and explain. All right, again, we hear the long A sound. We have AI, so here the first vowel is doing the talking. Stain, you don't want to stain your pants or you have to wash them, right? You spill ketchup on your pants at the cookout you're going to have in a few weeks. You might have to wash them. Plain. Maybe you like your hamburger plain with nothing on it, and then you won't be adding ketchup. And explain. Sometimes we explain things when we want people to understand what we're trying to say. And the last group of words, table, cable, fable. Well, you're going to sit at a table at your cookout, right? Cable is a wire that connects things. You probably have a cable on the back of your TV. And fable. Fable is a story from long ago. Sometimes it's a little bit true and sometimes it's made up. All right, so very quickly, I guess, those are your spelling words, okay? Pay attention to the patterns, and what you're going to do today is you're going to write them correctly 3 times each, all right? And then you're going to use the clues to fill in the blanks, all right? So I'm going to move right into reading. Super Kids, we have 2 pages that we're going to read. Oh, I guess I'm not. I guess I'll move on to grammar since I clicked on Brain Pop. What we're going to do today, boys and girls, is learn about something called fact and something called opinion. So those of you who like science, one of the things that people like about science is that we look for facts. So it's a fact that you should wash your hands to get the germs off, right? It's an opinion that washing your hands is a good thing. Some people might say, I don't need to wash my hands. I didn't touch anything dirty. But a fact is, everything has germs, and if you want to get the germs off, you're going to wash your hands. Another fact could be, today is a cloudy day. It's something you can prove. Look out the window, and you see clouds in the sky. An opinion might be, cloudy days are fun. Some people might think cloudy days are fun. Other people might think that cloudy days aren't fun. So the difference between a fact and opinion is that a fact is something you can prove. An opinion is just what you feel about it. And they're 2 very different things. Okay? So we'll watch our Brain Pop video. All right? And then we'll move on to Super Kids. And you're going to be doing a writing activity that has to do with fact and opinion. So let's, watch Moby.
Facts and opinions.
help us learn all about facts and opinions. And then tomorrow we'll, take the next step of your writing assignment. We're not going to do it all in one day.
What is it, Mommy? Saturn is gone. Planet garden should be saved. He explained how people are eating more fruits and vegetables because of the garden, and how they also save money on food. Grandpa also explained how doctors encourage gardening because it's good exercise. A community garden is good for the whole community. Using opinions and facts helps people understand your point of view. As you read, think about what is a fact and what is an opinion. You can take notes as you read. Make sure the facts can be proven and the opinions are supported by facts. Moby, I don't think Saturn is gone. That article doesn't even give one fact to prove that it's true. You have proof? Dear Earth, I'm going on vacation. See you later. Your friend, Saturn?
Moby's so silly. Okay, so a fact is something you can prove. I can prove it's cloudy outside because I just look out the window and see the clouds. An opinion might be cloudy days are fun days. Well, some people might say, I don't like cloudy days. But if you do like cloudy days, you could back it up with some facts like it's not too hot to play outside on a cloudy day, or it's more fun to play inside on a cloudy day because you don't feel like you're missing the nice weather. So even though an opinion is how you think or feel, you should be able to back it up with some facts, like we just said. So start thinking about something that you feel strongly about, an opinion that you have about something, anything at all, because that's what you're going to be writing about. So we're going to start thinking about what might be a good topic to write about. All right, so we're going to move into Super Kids. And what I would like to do is read the pages from the book. And I was going to do them on the computer, but I think I'll just read them to you. So chapter 26, we're starting a new lesson, which usually we would do on a Monday, but no biggie. We don't have to always do things the same way. Oswald's invitation. Now notice there's an apostrophe S after Oswald. Does anybody remember what that shows? Shows ownership. The invitation belongs to Oswald. One day after school, Oswald said to Cass, I'm having a birthday party a week from Saturday. Do you think you want to come? Sure, said Cass. Good, said Oswald. Maybe we'll play basketball or go to a movie or something. That sounds good, said Cass. I'll ask my mom if I can come. I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay, said Oswald. See you later. Bye, said Cass, and thanks. Cass ran off to meet Anna before Brownies. Sorry I'm late, she said to Anna. I was talking to Oswald. He invited me to his birthday party. It's a week from Saturday. Oh, Cass, said Anna, you didn't tell Oswald you'd go, did you? So we're going to stop there. But let's think for a minute. Why do you think Anna didn't want Cass to go to Oswald's party? What do you think? Maybe she has plans for Cass? Or maybe she had something in mind that she wanted them to do together? I guess we'll have to find out tomorrow. Speaking of birthdays, I know somebody who's having a birthday tomorrow. So I'm going to say a happy early birthday to little Miss Aubrey. And I'm saying it now because we're talking about birthdays, and because the last time I was in the classroom, I looked on our bulletin board to see who had birthdays so that I would make sure I wouldn't forget. So I hope tomorrow's a great day for you, Aubrey.